Welcome to my channel Tech Skill Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create user-defined functions in Python. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task or calculation. You can think of a function as a mini program that you can use multiple times in your main program. Python has many built-in functions that you can use, such as print, len, and sum. But sometimes, you may need to create your own functions to do something that the built-in functions cannot do, or to simplify your code. To create a user-defined function in Python, you need to follow these steps. Use the def keyword to start the function definition, followed by the function name and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can optionally specify one or more parameters that the function will accept as inputs. You can also assign default values to the parameters using the equals operator. After the parentheses, add a colon, to indicate the start of the function body. Indent the function body by 4 spaces or 1 tab. Write the code that you want the function to execute. You can use variables, expressions, statements, loops, and other functions inside the function body. Optionally, you can use the return keyword to return a value or an object from the function. If you don't use return, the function will return none by default. To call the function, use the function name followed by parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can pass arguments that match the parameters of the function. The arguments can be literals, variables, expressions, or other functions. Let's see an example of how to create a user-defined function in Python. Example user-defined function. As you can see, creating a user-defined function in Python is not very difficult. You just need to follow some basic rules and syntax. User-defined functions can make your code more modular, reusable, and readable. There are many more features and options that you can use with user-defined functions in Python. Such as positional arguments, keyword arguments, default parameters, variable length arguments, docstrings, and annotations. We will see those in an upcoming class. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy coding.